Setting the stage, musician bio tips and samples. It takes more than just talent and ability to make it as a professional musician. You need to market and brand yourself effectively. If you want to be successful as an artist, it's critical to share your accomplishments and artistic inspirations. A professionally written bio is often the first piece of marketing material your audience will read about you. Just like your brand of music, this needs to be masterfully crafted in a way that will engage your audience and let them know why you do what you do. How a musician's bio will be written depends on the style of music, the instrument, or the message they are trying to communicate through their music. For example, are you a hip-hop artist or a concert pianist? The tone and style of the bio should ultimately match the musician's brand. Today, we'll break down a sample musician bio and explain why it works. With an artistically mature sovereignty and a technical performance ability that is beyond reproach, award-winning musician Carolyn King has established herself as a powerhouse pianist. Her performances have established her ability to bring works to life and profoundly resonate with audiences. Here we describe and capture her abilities. Some of the adjectives that come to mind are exquisite, graceful, and refined. Some of her most notable performances include a first debut concert with the Dallas Symphony Orchestra, Chopin Piano Concerto No. 1 with the Nord Czech Philharmonic Orchestra, and a chamber music recital with the Schumann Piano Quartet. She was also a guest pianist for the Santa Barbara Symphony Orchestra. In this part of the sample musician bio, we list her achievements, showing that she has done the work and is a proven talent on the stage. Carolyn approaches every part of her life in the same way she approaches every performance, with no fear of failure and the anticipation of creative beauty. From a shy introvert, Carolyn has blossomed into a confident performer, highly skilled pianist, and passionate writer. This paragraph describes her approach to her music, which gives insight into what makes her a successful musician. Need help writing your musician bio? Visit us at WeWriteBios.com or call us at 818-488-1543 for more information about our musician bio writing services today.